If you want long, healthy, bouncy hair and you have not tried out any DIY whatsoever, then you're wasting your time. Take it for free. Hi, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach, and I'm here to tell you that DIY is a game changer, especially for your hair, obviously. So, the one I'll be talking about today is the only rosemary oil. So rosemary oil is very effective when it comes to hair growth and everything in between. So first off, this is how you can do the fastest hair growth oil, rosemary oil. So the first thing is you need a carrier oil, which includes your olive oil, your jojoba oil, your almond oil, coconut oil. Either of these are called carrier oils, right? So you can choose one. So let's take, for instance, we're using olive oil. So once you get the desired quantity that you want, it could be 250 ml, it could be 500 ml, right? You can use either fresh or dry rosemary. So most people actually have the dried rosemary because they don't actively grow the fresh one in their environment, right? So if you have the dry one, it's totally fine. So depending on your quantity of carrier oil, right, you could either measure like 3 spoons of your rosemary leaves. You can add like 1 spoon of your cloves, and also it is optional though, your flaxseed. So what you need to do is you put the oil on low heat, then you put in your rosemary first, followed by the cloves, then followed by your flaxseed. Then you stir continuously, right, and keep checking. Once you notice that your herbs are already getting way dry and the color of the oil has actually changed, and you leave it for like 15 minutes, right, switch off your gas and allow to cool. Leave it for like 24 hours, then you strain in an airtight bottle. For easy application, you can put it in a serum bottle that is empty for you to apply directly on your scalp, or you can put it in an applicator bottle for easy application. Moving on, right, there's another method at which you can do the rosemary oil, and that is the maceration process. This takes longer time than the one I told you about, right? If you have like 2 weeks to spare, then you're good to go. All you need to do is to blend the herbs I mentioned. You would actually need to exclude your flaxseed at this point. So you need your rosemary, your cloves. You could possibly put your fenugreek and blend all together. Put it in your carrier oil in a jar that is airtight. Put it in a dark place, cool, dry place for like 1 to 2 weeks. Once it is up, you strain it with a cheesecloth and put it in an airtight bottle also. And for easy application, use the method I told you, right, and you're good to go. So you can use this oil 3 to 4 times weekly, or you can use it 5 times weekly, but don't use it every day because too much of anything is bad. And for better results, you can pair it with your rosemary water. Rosemary water is very easy to make, very easy. Once you have your rosemary leaves and your cloves, all you need to do is to boil water to 100 degrees Celsius. Pour it in a bowl that has a lid, so that once you put in your herbs with the water, you cover it for 24 hours to infuse, and thereafter you strain it and put it in your spray bottle. Always store in the fridge so that your water will not get spoiled within few days, and to avoid microbes from growing in it and makes it contaminated. So you need to preserve it in the fridge. So there's just a lot of DIYs that you can do, especially with rosemary. So if you have rosemary leaves around you, get it now. If you want to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair, it will really help you, because in the long run, we're trying to grow our hair out. So anything to help you guys, I'm more than willing to share with you guys. So tell me in the comment section, which one have you tried out before? Have you tried the rosemary oil? Have you tried, flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel, all these DIYs that are proven to grow out our hair? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to hear from you guys. And if you'll be trying out these methods of doing rosemary oil for hair growth, do let me know also in the comment section so that we can all learn and grow together. So in this video, right, I was actually detangling my hair. I decided, to show you guys stepwise procedures to detangle the hair. Because some people think it's rosy, they feel okay, your hair is very soft and all. There's actually a lot of hassle that goes underneath. So I tried my possible best not to cut out any parts, so that you can see like the process from beginning to the end. The application of moisture, water, leave-in conditioner, detangling from the tip to the root of my hair, and like that, just ensuring that the process is seamless as much as I can, even though there are some hassles in between, but we move regardless. So like I said, share your experience in the comment section as regards DIY. It is a game changer. I discovered it quite late, but at least I'm thankful that I put it in my routine. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and remain your favorite hair coach. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call.
Whilst detangling my hair, this actually happened. PhD, switched off the light, and I'll see you in my next bite.